Welcome back. In this lecture we are going to write first blueprint script for our character. So from here select the TPS character animation, and here you can see the main blueprint interface for our character animation. So from here select the result and search for state machine and just hold down Alt and click on this. It will rename it and name it character locomotion, and just double click on this, and from here you can see entry point. If you did not understand, go to TPS. First of all select the TPS character animation. It will take you to the main viewport of. From here we drag result from our network node state and name it, and double click on this entry, and from entry add a state and name it idle. So as our character is in idle state, just adjust it, and now double click on this, and from here just animation asset browser. Here you can all the animations. So select the animation blend space and just attach the result and select and promote to variable. Name it just as it is, character direction, and from here promote to variable and character, and just save it, compile. As you can see our character is in idle state. If you go to the main, just press, as you can see our character is in breathing state. So if you see last time I have select this class before TPS, but our character was in T pose. The reason is that we did not apply the network state. Now go to the event graph. From here you can see we will write the blueprint so that when we press play our character start moving forward, backward, and strafing left and right. So from here select is, search for is valid, attach this to this, and now select is valid and search for cost to TPS, cost to the TPS character, that it is this one, and from here just and promote to variable and just rename it. We should name it, or just name it TPS character reference. So it is the reference of character. Now just rearrange these, and just from here we will add a sequence, and from sequence we should just take the direction character velocity, just and set the velocity and just to this. Now we will take the TPS character reference and get it. First of all we will calculate the velocity of our character. From here get velocity and vector length, and just connect to this, just like Now compile it, just it give us an error. Try get pawn owner to this object. Now compile it, save. Now press play. When I press upward, our character start running, but it's still not strafing from left to right, as it is only calculate. Here you can see it is only calculate the this one comment. It is only get the velocity. Name it get character velocity, but it is not calculating the, and just comment and change its color to blue, but it is not calculating the direction of our character. So for this, what we will do, just drag the character reference, get and search for get velocity, and it will get velocity, and also search for get actor rotation, and from this velocity to what it will calculate the direction, and just actor rotation select to base, and from here just promote to, just delete this, sorry, also delete this, and character direction just set and connect it to this, and as velocity and character set, but just select these two, sorry, just select these two, this, and here you can see, just when we compile it, save, press play, when I press left, our character strafing, as you can see. Perfect. Now comment this and comment and get character direction. Perfect. Okay, that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will do some camera control for our classic or standard camera control for our character. See you in next lecture.